ahead and look at 17. All right. We're going to do 17 and 18 together. Okay. So I want us to look at question 17. What do I need to do with question 17? Distribute. So we're going to do negative 3 times x to get
negative 3x.
Negative 3 times 2 gives us
Negative 6.
Did anything happen with that negative 3x? So I'm going to bring it down. Is less than 2x plus 18. So before I start moving stuff around our inequality to solve, do I have anything I can do first? Like terms. What are my like terms? What is negative 3x minus 3x? Yes, but negative 6x minus 6 is less than 2x plus 18. Okay, what do I need to do from here? We can subtract 2x on both sides. So we get, what is negative 6x minus 2x? We have some talking, so if we have talking, we should have some answering. Negative 8x minus 6 is less than 18. What do I do from there?
Add 6 on both sides.
What is 18 plus 6? From here, what do we do?
Divide.
Divide by negative 8. Okay? We are dividing by a negative. What does that cause to happen? Flip the inequality. So that gives us x is, what do I write?
Greater than
Negative 3. X is greater than negative 3. All right. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to graph this as well. Okay. So over here on our number line, we have negative 3, negative 2. Or that's not right. What's a number smaller than negative 3? What's smaller than that? Smaller? What's bigger than negative 3? Bigger than negative 2? Bigger than negative 1? All right. So for this question, do we have an open circle or a closed circle at negative 3? Open. Now, x is greater than negative 3. So which way does that go? To the right or to the left? To the right. Okay, if x is bigger, it goes to the right. If x is smaller, it goes to the left. Okay, now we're going to do our interval notation. Okay, this is where, remember our little funny creatures that we have over there? So if you have open circles, we have open circles when we have less than and greater than. Okay, with open circles, we will always use it in parentheses. Okay, we have our little ears. And remember, we have a sophisticated cat because he wears a bow tie because infinities will always get a parentheses. Yep. Okay, we also have his little friend the mouse who has closed circles. And that gives us less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. And we use what for him? Brackets. Just like that. So if you are struggling to remember when you use what, that is what you do. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in interval notation. So we start from we do interval notation from left to right. Okay, so the left of this graph is where? Negative 3. With a parentheses or a bracket? Parentheses. Okay, comma. Then the right of this graph goes to where? Positive infinity. Okay. And parentheses will always get a, infinity will always get a parentheses. Every single time. It'll never not get a parentheses because infinity is something you can equal. No. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at question 15. All right, for question 15. Or 18. I don't know what I'm thinking. I think I was seeing the 5 and my brain was like, it's 15. Okay, for question 18, is anything happening with this 5x? So I'm going to bring it down. But then what do I need to do? What is negative 3 times x? What is negative 3 times 6? Then we have is greater than or equal to. Is anything happening with that 8? Bring it down. What do I need to do with that negative? Distribute it. And when I distribute that negative, it's like multiplying by negative 1. Negative 1 times x is? Or negative x. Negative 1 times negative 7 is? Positive 7. Okay. What do I do before I can start moving stuff around our inequality? Okay, on the left side, what is our like terms? What is 5x minus 3x?
2x.
So we have 2x minus 18 is greater than or equal to. What do I do on the right-hand side? What is 8 plus 7? So we have 15 minus x. All right, what do I do from here?
Couldn't you also do negative x plus 15?
Yeah, you can write it either way. What do we do now? We can add x to both sides. Okay, so what is 2x plus x?
3x.
So we have 3x minus 18 is greater than or equal to 15. Now what do I do?
Add 18.
What is 15 plus 18? It is what? 33. Now what do I do?
Divide by 3.
Divide both sides by 3. Here I'm dividing by a positive, so does anything change? So we get x is what?
11.
How do I write it? Tell me what x is greater than or equal to 11. Okay, so we're good to graph this one as well. So over here I'm going to put 11 in the middle. What's a number smaller than 11?
10.
Smaller?
9.
Even more?
8.
Bigger than 11? Bigger? Even more? There we go. Do I use an open or closed circle for this one? Closed, because of the or equal to part. And then we have x is greater than or equal to 11. So is that to the right or to the left? Okay. Again, we do interval notation from left to right, so we're going to start with the left side. Where is that at? 11, and 11 will get a... Okay, now, the right side goes to where? Infinity. Okay. Do the two marks you put here have to match? No. Okay, because infinity here will get a parentheses. Because infinity will always get a parentheses. Okay. So I want y'all to go ahead and I want y'all to do 16, 19, and 20 for me.
Just let me know when you get to the graph.
Sorry, guys. For which one? I didn't finish 16. Yeah, but yeah.
It's the
No, X is equal.
And then we do 22, right?
Yeah, do all three of those that you haven't done yet.
Okay.
Okay, so if it's a closed circle, it's always gonna have a bracket. But if it's parentheses, it's gonna have, infinity, it's gonna have parentheses. Yeah.
It's always close circle when there's a line. No matter what.
Okay, yeah.
Anybody need any help on those three? Ethan, is that a yes, you need help?
I wasn't here whenever we learned this.
Yep, so whenever you're out, you need to make sure you watch the videos. They're all there, so you can go back and get those.
I wasn't even.
Yeah.
That's okay. So you solve them just like you do all of your other equations. Why did you at least follow along with these?
Oh, because I wasn't here.
Are you taking your questions? So. So this is just like, if that was an equal, or we're just, if you do just solve it. So right.
I thought we saw the signs. Yeah. Yeah.
Now what would you do?
So we would go this way, right? Or this way? Or the other way?
Now what?
19, I got 7. I mean,
I think this one is the finger of the right.
So here, you can't just switch it to
Oh,
the next
It's a crisp apple.
No, it's like.
That is negative 21 divided by 5.
The raspberry lemon and peach mango.
It doesn't
You
matter.
like raspberry?
It's easier to add 6 to it.
No, you're 3 times 7.
Do you like the
3 times
mango
7.
body?
Go across this.
I don't.
Well, this one is
So you get negative 7. Standard equal. So whenever you have this, the alligator is always trying to keep what's bigger, right? So that means which one of these is bigger? X. Okay? So you could also write that as X is greater than. Those two things mean the same thing. So we would write in our line over here, negative 7.
Tell your time.
negative 8,
I got the practice real quick.
Do you guys know I'm singing at lunch too?
Yeah.
Who wants to come to my show too? Jimmy.
If it was just less than or just greater than, so like here, we have
I'm gonna
over
finish this number 22.
Now, if X is bigger than negative 7, is that going to go right?
I'm funny.
Now we do our interpretation. So it's just another way.
X is
So start with 11. What is the 11?
those circles because there's
Now, this is closed up. Anytime it's a closed up, we use a bracket. Open circle, that's a little funny. And then this is arrow,
like,
if you're dividing like this. So like, if the denominator is infinity and number.
For this one,
We solve it. The only thing that gets different is if like 16 by it would have caused that inequality.
Did you get negative
Like just
But it's basically the same thing as yes. All right, for number 16, what did y'all get for the answer for number 16?
I got x is less than or equal to 7.
Okay, let's talk about this one. Okay, so for this one, when we solve it, we get -7 is less than or equal to x, or you could have got x is greater than or equal to -7. Okay, because depending on which way you worked it, okay, it'll be set up one of these two ways, okay? And the reason I tell you both of those is because if I would have, instead of moving the -2, if I would have instead of moved the 5 to the other side, I would have got this. So you just have to make sure you watch your inequality signs, okay? That's the big thing that you got to watch out for. All right. Now, to graph this, do I use an open or closed circle? Closed. Okay. Is x bigger or smaller than -7? Bigger, so it goes to the... Okay, and how do I do my interval notation for that? What needs to... Bracket. Yep. With a... There we go. All right. So I want us to go ahead. And what did y'all get for number 19?
X is greater than or equal to 7.
I got 7 is greater than x.
We should have 7 is greater than or equal to x. Or x is less than or equal to 7. We could write it either way. Okay, either of these ways is the correct way. Just depends how you set it up. Do you see what happened? Let me look.
You said number 19?
I saw my friend. She's a senior.
Oh, so you have it right. You just wrote it wrong. So
I actually don't know her name.
is x still less than or equal to?
So
So you just flip it and you just write it down after that. Okay, so I had it right. I just wrote it wrong. All right. So for this one, open or closed circle? Closed. Okay. Now, for this one, is x bigger or smaller than 7?
X is smaller.
Smaller. So it's going to go to the...
It's gonna go left.
Now, when we do interval notation, we go left to right. Okay. So at the left side of this graph, what does that go to? Negative infinity. Negative infinity will always get a...
Parentheses.
Okay, and then it goes to what on the right side of the graph?
Negative. Oh, 7.
Which is a...
Bracket.
That's okay if you turn your paper sideways. Yes.
Is that for 16?
The first one, yeah.
Oh, wait. How does it not?
Great. The one we just did is 19.
Oh, okay. We're just on 19.
Yeah. We already did 16.
I really don't understand this, but I'll see what I got.
All right.
So let me outline that.
Now, 20. What did y'all get for 20? X is greater than -2. You could have also gotten it as -2 is less than x. Both of those things still mean the same thing. Okay? Now, open or closed circle?
Wait for 20. Open.
And is x bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
So it's going to go to the...
Right.
Okay? To do our interval notation, what is the left side of our interval notation going to be?
That part.
With a parentheses. And then the right side is going to be infinity, which is a So that is how we do these, okay? So what we're going to do with the rest of our class time today is we're going to do some Delta Math practice. So I want everybody to get your computer out and go open our Delta Maths up. If you need scratch paper, you can get scratch paper from me, or you can use the whiteboards back there. Yes. On which one? Yes.
What's the difference between the brackets and the
Oh, you're good, yeah.
okay. Like, what's the difference between the brackets and the
So the bracket means it can equal, whereas the parentheses means it's not equal to.
Oh,
So,
equal to like this. Okay.
so that's where our little funky little creatures come in. Let me see that. So when you have your open circles, right? You have open circles. That is only we can use that with less than or greater than. And we always have our parentheses with those. Also with parentheses is our infinity. Now, with our closed circles, that's where we have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And we always use brackets with those.
Oh, okay, I see. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Cause at first I was putting the brackets in front of the negative sign, so I don't put the.
You can put a bracket on the negative side, but not with infinity. So if that was like here, for this one, if this would have been filled in, right? That's a solid circle. It can be a bracket right there, but infinity wouldn't get a bracket.
So if it's a bracket, I still put the parentheses either way?
Still put the parentheses for infinity. Okay.
Because I was putting a bracket on both sides.
Yeah, they can be mixed matched. It feels weird. This isn't like you know how when you have a point, they have to be the same?
Yeah.
This isn't like that because it's not representing a point. It's representing a space and time. So you can do mixed match.
Thank you.